Candle making, paano naging XRP yung candle making? Itong video recording na to, gagawin ko to kasi nakahuli na naman ako or nakaspot ng isang YouTube channel or YouTube video na forgive me for the word guys, kinukupal na naman yung XRP. Tinatarantado yung XRP guys. Ang ganda-gandang project ng XRP when it comes to cryptocurrency. Tapos sinasamantala lang ng mga scammer. Okay? Tignan yung maigi yan guys. Itong channel na nasa screen nyo ngayon, yung XRP live na yan. Scammer channel yan. Okay? I-maximum ko lang yung view para makita ninyo kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi. Okay? Tapos i-tilt nyo na lang or i-rotate nyo na lang yung phone nyo kasi i-adjust ko yung view para makita nyo ng buo.
This once more so that no one misses it. Ripple's giving away up to 200 million XRP worth over $500 million. If you hold anywhere between 1,000 and 1 million XRP, you are eligible. But remember, the clock is ticking. Head to the official Ripple website now to join. If you're skeptical, that's perfectly fine. In the world of cryptocurrency, skepticism is healthy. But don't just take my word for it. Go ahead and verify it through Ripple's official channels. This initiative is real, it's transparent, it's authorized, and it's built to reward this incredible community. Now, let's take a moment to look forward. RippleNet is now powering real-world payments in more than 4...
Ayan, sabi niya daw kahit pumunta sa website. Hindi ako naniniwala dyan. Meron kasi akong, ito yung mga ganitong pakulo ng mga scammer, hindi pa to nare-resolve talaga ng YouTube. Pero dapat aware tayo sa mga ganito. Kaya nga, nag-record na lang ako para alam nyo rin. Ayan, Ripple. Ayan na. Ito na yung website ng Ripple guys. Okay? Ripple.com. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin, ang sinasabi nila, yung double event. Ayan. Meron guys, pero misleading eh. Hindi naman yun ibig sabihin na, kasi ang mangyayari doon sa video guys, nakikita nyo yun, may QR code. Pag in-scan mo raw yung QR code, pag nag-send ka ng XRP doon sa address na yun, magsisend back daw sa'yo ng XRP. Double, halimbawa, nag-send ka, di ba, in-scan mo yung QR code. Magsisend ka doon ng, for example, 1,000 XRP. Babalik daw sa'yo na 2,000 XRP. Pero, wala nang babalik sa'yo. Scammer yung mga yan. Ayan o. Merong article na, doubling down on XRPL Labs. Pero, hindi yan kagaya nung sinasabing kita mo napaka-misleading kung sangkatutak na engot talaga nung ibang nagpapascam, yung mga hindi nagbabasa. Meron naman talaga doubling down on XRP Labs pero article to or information dito sa Ripple website about XRPL Labs, okay? So hindi siya technically kagaya nung dinidescribe doon sa scam video kanina sa YouTube, okay? Ayan pinapaliwanag lang nung XRPL kasi to guys, basahin nyo na lang to sa website kasi readily available na to. Some wallet, decentralized wallet din yan ng XRP. Ako kasi ang ginagamit ko yung Sologenic Dex and Wallet, okay? Yung iba, some wallet nila, tinatago yung XRP nila, okay? So yun, yung, kumbaga, parang MetaMask rin yun na decentralized wallet, okay? So, kung wala ka pa kasing cold storage kagaya ng Tangem wallet or yung Ledger, alternatively, pwede mong i-install yung mga applications or decentralized wallet na to. Kagaya yung Sam wallet and yung kasasabi ko lang kanina na Sologenic Dex and Wallet. Kasi hindi siya centralized. Kumbaga ikaw yung mismo, ikaw yung responsible or accountable sa pagmamanage ng cryptocurrency mo. Okay? Nasa iyo, ikaw yung may hold nung keywords and yung fast phrase, okay? Kaya walang control yung decentralized platform, yung Sologenic or itong Sam Wallet kung kailan mo gustong ibenta or kung kailan mo gustong bumili ng XRP. Ganon. Ikaw ang may control, ikaw lahat. Decentralized nga eh. So, yun lang naman yung ini-explain dito and wala yung kinalaman sa gusto nilang mangyari dito na mag-send ka ng XRP sa QR code na yan and then babalik sa'yo ng doble, okay? Tapos ito tignan nyo pagka in-spot check mo yung channel niya, ewan ko kung paano nila nagagawa to. subscriber niya 53K, 'di ba? Tapos yung live niya nag-iisa lang. Crypto content, 'di ba? Ito patapong channel na to tapos siguro nakuha nila or na-hack. Ayan, no, tingnan nyo, wala namang kaugnayan yan sa crypto. O, ano yan? Puro damit. O, fashion. O, asan dyan ang ano? Ito lang yung nag-iisa nilang ginamit na ano, candle making. Paano naging XRP yung candle making? 'Di ba? Ay. Guys, ingat-ingat kayo kapag nakita kayo ng video na kagaya nito. Ang gagawin nyo, i-report nyo kagad. Okay? We'll check, sabi dito pag clinic natin yung report, we'll check for all community guidelines. So don't worry about making the perfect choice. Okay? So, ang spam or misleading, ayan. Ayan, so ito yung ginawa kong message. Kasi i-report ko to. Kapag nakita rin kayo ng ganito guys, maging proactive na kayo sa pag-report kasi para ma-take down yung video. Dapat ang dami talagang mga scammer. Dapat wala tong mga ganito. Nakakaawa yung mga engot na maniniwala sa mga ganito. Ayan, thanks for helping our community. What you can expect. Okay. So check natin kung ano yung magiging result nito. At least na-report na natin. Ayan, so meron ring notification sa email natin. Ayan, hello Crypto Bayanihan Web3 Wallets. Thank you for your video report on May 31, 2025. We'll take a careful look at this content, okay? Ayan, so disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 Wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only and not financial advice. I encourage everyone to always do their own research whenever engaging, okay, into the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Maraming salamat. See you sa next video natin.
This once more so that no one misses it. Ripple is giving away up to 200 million XRP worth over $500 million. If you hold anywhere between 1,000 and 1 million XRP, you are eligible. But remember, the clock is ticking. Head to the official Ripple website now to join. If you're skeptical, that's perfectly fine. In the world of cryptocurrency, skepticism is healthy. But don't just take my word for it. Go ahead and verify it through Ripple's official channels. This initiative is real, it's transparent, it's authorized, and it's built to reward this incredible community. Now, let's take a moment to look forward. RippleNet is now powering real-world payments in more than 4...
Ayan, sabi niya daw kahit pumunta sa website. Hindi ako naniniwala dyan. Meron kasi akong